So finally our files are all uploaded. As you can see, I got some warnings, however there are no errors. So I'll try to refresh the GitHub page and hopefully all the files are there. Okay. You can also use my GitHub repository if you need to. The link is on the description. As you remember, there are some issues that we needed to fix on the project, and that was that we had the aerial camera turned on, and also there was this frame per second counter that personally I have two frame per seconds counter working, so I'll want to disable one. So I'll just fire up Unity and I'll open this Git project, the project that is now inside the Git, and this is it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's hope these are just warnings. I'll disable frame per second display. Also inside the car, disable this camera, enable the VR camera. Also the frame per second inside the canvas. Quick check. Jesus. Let's hope it's the last time. Yeah, it is the iOS we deleted, so let's just ignore it. Okay, nevertheless, everything seems fine. You can see if we click, moves onward. Okay, seems okay with me. I'll just save the project, save scene, exit Unity. However, since we made some changes, we have to tell Git that we did them. So back in our terminal, we have to say that some files were changed. So inside a folder, go for git add dot. And then we will do a commit and we remove it, the frame per second, set here camera. As you can see, there are a lot of deletes all the way to the git. Now that we do the git push, since it was only deleted some files, as you can see, it was really quick. So this means that when you upload, make some changes on the Git, it will be way faster than it was regarding the first one. Because the first one we were uploading all the project, but now we are just uploading some file changes. Okay, now let's go to Unity Cloud finally. You have to go to Unity site, of course. It's I'll go by here, Unity Cloud on Google. It's the second page for now. So click on it. If you don't have an account, just make a new one. I already have mine. Going to log in. And I'm going to create a new project inside here that I will use to build my game. So create new project over here on the top right, and I'll call this driving experience VR. Okay, you have to create an organization. Okay, this is the dashboard for project. However, what we are looking for, it's this cloud build There are also some interesting features if you want to look for them, analytics and stuff. So I'll go to Cloud Build, and we need, of course, to set it up first. So let's do it. And inside here, we will paste our GitHub URL. So back to GitHub. Let's copy the link to it. Let's try this one. Maybe, don't think it will, but yeah, apparently it does. Nice. Android, sorry, iOS, this time with a not for it. So go to Android. Now you can type, can be default Android. We only have a branch, master branch. That's this one. We could have another branch. This works mainly if you work as a team or you want to make some change that you think it might break the code. You'll create a branch of the project. Next. So now for an Android project, you always need a bundle ID. However, this will be important when you upload, if you upload your game to Play Store. However, for the time being, it can be this test. Also, when you upload it to Play Store, you will place your keys inside here. For now, we just need a debug key store to check our project working. Now, hopefully it will start building. Oh, great, that's great. Now, this is a bit of a painful part because the wait time can go like for 20-40 minutes. It can take some time. However, once it's on, it will take, well, can take some time. Depends also on the server load. Later on, when you upload your code to GitHub, it will detect, Unity Cloud will detect when there are changes, and it will build a new APK for you, and also it will send via email. So also remember that GitHub is public. You can go for a private one if you want not to expose your code to everybody. And now we'll just have to wait for Unity Cloud to do its work. And when it's done, we will receive an email, or you can just leave this page open and wait for it.